Hello and welcome back again to part 3, which is Roody Reindeer, and we're going to be doing his neck. So when we were working on the back, we placed our marker where the pattern told us to in this stitch, and this is where we're going to start our neck. So I've done my adjustable slip knot, which I'm going to put on my hook. I'm going to place the hook inside the stitch with a marker, and I'll take the marker out for now, and then I'm just going to continue to do a double crochet from that point. Some people refer to this as a standing double crochet. It just makes it a nicer, smoother stitch to start with. So then I'm following the pattern. I'm going to be doing 11 more double crochet around the front of the neck. So here we have 11. And then it tells me to do 8 double crochet to the end of the round. So this is across this section here. Well, you know you've got 4 here because of the chain that you made across the back. So you'll be using the other side of that chain for 4, and then you'll just be doing 2 either side. So 1. Just going to be picking up some of the stuffing as I go along. 4, 5, 6, 2 more, 7, 8. Okay, now because we work in the spiral, I'm just going to leave that end there. I'm going to put the marker in my stitch on the hook, so I now know where my beginning and end is. And the next round I'm going to be decreasing to make this neck area a lot thinner. So we'll start by going into that standing double crochet here and doing 2 together, repeating that around. Go. That's that round done. We're going to move the marker up again. And the next is just to do a double crochet all the way around. Okay, well I've done my last row. I'm going to cut a length probably about 30 centimetres, 12 inches long, because we're going to use that for sewing the head to the neck. I'm just going to do my usual slip stitch into the next stitch and then fasten off. Take the marker out. So there you have the head and the body. Oops. Okay, so I must just say this at the moment, but the head, where the head goes, pretend this ball of yarn is the head. The head actually sits in the middle of the neck. It doesn't, you don't sew it to the back of the head like that, like you'd expect it to be, you know, horse features and that. It actually goes on in the middle between the chin and the back of the head. And then that means, I know this is a different colour, but there you can see it's kind of in the middle of the head, and that's where you would sew it in place with that length of yarn, probably twice round, just to give a bit more stability. And there you have it.